Wanted to share a few of the people that we chatted with and helped last week so you can be on the lookout for us this week. We just had an awesome closing with a client that they bought a new construction home because they were selling a home, putting a big down payment, getting lots of incentives. It doesn't matter though how much the incentives are because it was a traditional mortgage and they had to write a check every single month. So we were able to come in, wipe out their mortgage. Now they have optional payments. So instead of that $1,200-$1,500 a month going out, they can pay zero. So they still have the same house, same options, brand new construction, but now they have a zero monthly payment. That was an awesome feeling. A second folks we chatted with is we got a call from a friend of theirs. They said they went to the local bank and wanted to ask them about what are the options because they have $1 million home completely paid off. They only make $3,000 a month, $3,000 a month to live and take care of $1 million home on 16 acres. So I was able to visit with them and share with them how we can get them $250,000 up front that they can use however they wish, pay bills, travel, prepare for healthcare challenges. There's no monthly payment required, payment optional. And then they're gonna get another $200,000 line of credit a year later. So they're gonna go from no money in the bank to having access to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And the phrase they use is the peace of mind that they're gonna receive is just gonna be awesome. So that was a great meeting last week. Also worked through a situation with a real estate agent. She called and said, I got a call from one of my clients that their parents have a $680,000 home. They only owe $80,000 and they were still working, but they just lost their job. What are the options? I was able to share with them how we would be able to make their mortgage payment optional mortgage payment because their income dropped drastically. We'd be able to give them hundreds of thousands of dollars of their equity. It's their money. They can use it however they wish because they want to do a little bit more than they can do just on his retirement. That was an awesome conversation. So glad to be able to give them some direction and give them a plan. We had another client, they were looking at property and they just said all the payments were just so high when they're buying a home and selling a home. So we're able to show them how they're going to be able to sell their home, put a big down payment on the new home, but buy it with the new and improved FHA version of a reverse mortgage so they have no required monthly mortgage payment. So just be able to have a whole nother outlook on retirement because they're not strapped paying a huge mortgage, but they still own their house, could still sell their house and still pass their home on to their kids. So if you know anyone that is 62 or older that could use some flexibility in their budget and their lifestyle and they own a home, please let us know. My team and I would love to help. Thanks again. Appreciate you. Talk to you soon.